Welcome to RidgeLife. I'm Tim, and today we're going to start repairing our barn. On the trailer behind me, we've got about 250 linear feet of 2x8s. And those are unpressure treated. Now in the barn loft, I got another 250 to 270 feet of pressure treated 2x8s. We're going to put the pressure treated 2x8s at the bottom where it reaches the ground. It just helps against the termite reinfestation. I know we've treated it already, and it helps against the water. So the pressure treated 2x8s will be all around the bottom, 1 or 2 layers up, and then we'll do the unpressure treated on all the higher boards and around the windows up top and all the fascia and all those repairs. So it's going to be good. Before we get started putting the new boards on, all the old boards I pulled off, I'm going to go put them on the pile of termite damaged boards we have over there by the pond. We've loaded up the rotten wood. Again, this is the second batch of rotten wood we've taken off the barn. We've taken off the bottom 2 runs all the way around a long time ago when we had the termite infestation. Well, this is just the part we took off y'all saw last week. So we're going to take this down over by the pile, the termite damaged wood pile by the pond, dump all that up over there. Then we'll start putting on the untreated 2x8s around, and then we'll get the treated 2x8s on at the bottom and fix a few of the other things, and we'll be good to go with this barn. Here we go. What I would really rather be doing today, instead of taking all this dead wood over there and fixing the barn, be out here fishing on the Ridge Pond. Oh, I love catching fish on the Ridge Pond, but let's get back to work. Some of this wood's going to be good for making raised box beds. I can salvage 6 8-foot pieces of it and put together some really nice box beds out of this wood. Some of it's still real solid, the termites didn't get to it. Everybody, this trailer here has got 250 linear feet. That pile there is 10 times bigger. There's over 2,000 linear feet of rotten 2x6s, 2x8s, and 2x10s. There's actually a few 2x12s also. That is a lot of wasted lumber. It really is a sad situation. I'm going to try to reclaim a little bit of it for use around the homestead. Got tons of nails in there I gotta watch out for. That's why I'm trying to keep everything piled in certain ways, but over 2,000 linear feet there, that's just a shame. Woo! All right, let's get back up and we'll start getting this wood on the barn. This north side here was the hardest hit as far as how high the termites got up. I think what I'm gonna do to make things look a little more uniform, I'm gonna take off these bottom boards, move them up, and equalize them on both sides. Then we'll have all new boards at the bottom. I think that's a good idea. We'll do that right now. You can see we transferred the boards that were down below. We transferred them up, so now they're equal on both sides. So when we put our new 2x8s on, it's going to look a lot better as things age instead of having them, puzzle piecemeal. So we're going to get these starting put on here in just a second and get this project going. these boards got to be a little bit closer than these boards because they shrink. So we'll go, you know, half the distance there.
If they're gonna shrink them, why don't you just put them up against each other?
Because I don't know how much they'll shrink, so I think start with just a little bit of gap because I hate for them to all be together. You know what I mean? I don't know that. We've got our non-pressure treated all the way down. The bottom two runs are going to be pressure treated 2x8s, 12 foot long. And we'll come back for that. We're going to move to the other end of the barn. We're going to get all these non-pressure treated first before we bring down the pressure treated that have been drying in the loft. Same overlap?
About 2.5 inches.
Well, your way.
You're the way you need to be.
Well,
Be okay. I actually think this board right here, board not let it go up.
oh yeah.
The board.
Pull it out. She's awesome, isn't she?
Will this go all the way down too?
Yeah. We hear you, we hear you.
Take one board down here. Now that we've got the unpressure treated boards on all the way around where we need it, we're going to start getting the pressure treated boards, and those were up in the loft. So Starla's going to hand those down to me. We're going to get the ones we need, and we're ready to go. Welcome back. We got the front of the barn done and the back of the barn done, but we got ran off before we could finish the verticals here on this east side. A sudden storm came up and ran us off, so we're back today. We're going to finish up this side, and then we'll finish up the around the windows and some of the fascia boards a little bit later. But we're going to get this wall done today. Well, we managed to get all the boards on for the verticals and the horizontals all the way around the barn. We're going to come back and do around the windows and some of the fascia boards that are rotten, but right now we can call this project pretty much done. How's it make you feel?
Accomplished.
Oh yeah. So hope everyone has a blessed day and enjoyed watching us do this. Until next time, go RidgeLife.